saw him, I didn't know who he was. It was actually at an award show.
Hindi mo alam na si Catchy Christian?
No, I had just moved to the Philippines.
Tatay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy and welcome to Fast Talk. Tatay Kapuso, please welcome Christian and Kat Bautista.
The first time I saw him, I didn't know who he was. It was actually at an award show.
Hindi mo alam na si Catchy Christian?
No, I had just moved to the Philippines. I had just moved back 2 months. Like, I'd been living in the US for 10 years, so I just moved back. So I was seated next to him at an award show. I had no idea who he was. I thought he was an indie singer. And then we didn't see each other for 5 years. After that, we reconnected. I still had no idea who he was. He found out I was single. He asked me out on a date. And then Tito Boy, he took me to a very simple restaurant.
Bandang UP? Dito ba yan?
Very simple restaurant, Tito Boy. And he made me pay.
Sorry ah.
Split yata pagkaalala ko.
Are not surprised?
2025 is coming back, of course, still with Miss Lani, still with Miss I, still with Julie, still with River. And ibang klase ang The Clash ngayon. I just can't spill all the beans, pero napaka-intense from the beginning. Meron agad super mega surprise that will change the way you view the show completely. Agad.
Siya ako, mas clean. Siya ako, mas cheesy.
Siya!
Ako.
Mas seloso.
Siya.
Mas malambing.
Siya.
Mas makalat.
Ako.
Siya.
Ako.
Unang nagsusorry.
Ako.
Unang nangangalambing.
Yun pala yun.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on. Look at my view.
Oh! Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Saturday morning.
Ganito.
By far, that's the most exact answer I've gotten.
I'm honored.
Yes, it's Kat's first time, so I'm so proud of you.
You.
Pero I'm so happy again na makabalik dito. Thank you again for having us. It's always a fun time.
First time ko, super fun. Pangarap ko to have Fast Talk with Tito Boy at nangyari today, so thank you so much.
Grabe, merong super mega big twist sa simula pa lang na talagang it will blow your mind. Talagang abangan nyo, hindi ko lang talaga pwede sabihin, pero talagang pag nanood kayo syempre malalaman mo Darby. Pero pag nanood kayo talagang mind blow. So yes, please watch The Clash. Malapit na The Clash 2025 only here on GMA.